simple steps. One is visualize what you're talking about. Really see these images, see what it is you're talking about so that you know where you're going in your speech. You can even use your hands to sort of replicate what it is. So if it's a house or it's love, just practice that visually, which brings me to my second point. Physicalize it. Is it love? Is it anger? Is it money? Whatever that is, if you physicalize it and you're standing up as you practice and you're picturing these different points as you speak, it's going to be much easier to memorize that speech. And the third thing you can do is take it into digestible chunks for yourself so that you have one part you're talking about, the love part, and you talk all about the love and the house that built the love, so forth, but do it in digestible chunks so that you'll really have the physical, mental, the visual, and the verbal skills of presenting it. That's a great way to memorize.